Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add watermark in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add watermark. Now firstly I am going to the view menu option. Now for click. Then click for a master page option. Then click for a insert menu option, then click for text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from a text. Now select from text. Now change the text size. Now click for bold option. Now going to the text fill option. Now use color. Now click for text outline. Now choose color. Now move the middle point. Now rotate the angle. Now click for a close the master page. Now you can see. Now select from a text. Now type from text. That's it. Now you can see add watermark in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.